Sean, you Mr. Kingston.
Like your way, I should brain I can
What are we doing? Oh, shitty.
She wasn't technically in the train lane. Okay. Were you guys together? Yeah. What's your last name?
Look behind us. Oh, shit. Oh my God. That just happened? Yeah. Oh my God. What?
I guess it's finally time to bail. I think so, man.
Stupid motherfucker!
Funny, sitting here, it's impossible to tell, really, that I'm in one of the most powerful road cars. Oh, shit.
So if you missed out on this hour's Valentine's Crush...
Chris, 89 for Metro, your status?
Jesus criminy. Hey, I gotta go. Truck just rolled over in front of me, man. Alright, later.
He ain't stopping. He ain't stopping. Holy cow, yep.
Oh, shit. Yep.
Hey, turn your head to the right. You have a passenger with you. See if you got a passenger.
Oh, there he goes. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, he's off the road. It's off the road. Oh, shit. Dude, he's going to stop right there. Oh, there it is. Oh, got him. Oh, no. Slow down. Okay, go. Stay right on him.
He looks like he's choked.
Yeah, he's definitely intoxicated. Man, this guy is nuts. He's gonna kill somebody.
Oh my, what the hell?
Stay right on his ass, man. Just stay right here. Careful.
He's dead.
He's dead.
Right now.
Oh man, this is it. Okay, back up just a little bit.
Is he drunk?
Back up just a little bit.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, Jesus.
That's
Look
it.
at that. That's it. Oh, Jesus Christ.
What the heck?
Where are the cars? Oh, yeah, that's it. That's it.
Oh, my God. I want him to crash off the road.
Okay, watch out. I do too. A crash would be the best thing you could happen to him.
Look, learn your lesson.
Chase, quiet. Oh, that's it. That's it. He's going right. That's it right there. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Look at that. That's head on. Oh, no. Oh, okay, that's good. Goodbye.
Right
That's it right there.
That's it.
Slow down. Oh my God! Stop!
Oh my God!
Stop!
Completely?
And this week brought to you by Mountain Goat Roofing. They just finished roofing the administration building here at Krista, and they can put a new roof on your home too. Find out more at mountaingoatroofing.com.
This wasn't your usual criminal. This was somebody that went into a San Diego tour bus company and applied for a job. And they turned him down. They said, look, you don't have the qualifications. You don't have the experience. So he stole the bus. And I have to tell you, that guy really knew how to drive a bus.
On Los Feliz Boulevard, he's making a U-turn, narrowly missing that light standard. This is a 30,000-pound bus being pursued by highway patrolmen.
Police pursuing the stolen bus know the driver poses a serious threat to the public and the officers as well.
Very high rate of speed, at times on the wrong side of the road. High rate of speed, there you can see a police helicopter following. There, he's losing control. He's losing control of the bus, sliding sideways, coming up on the curb, narrowly missing a vehicle, now on the wrong side of the road. Very dangerous. Is it over? Is he stopping? Nope, he's backing up.
A Tarragasti Ferrer was charged with and later convicted of grand theft auto, felony evading, assault with a deadly weapon, attempted murder of a police officer, and numerous other traffic violations. Found mentally incompetent, he spent 10 years in a lock-up facility before being released in 2005.
It's Jerry the Box for Oscar Flights Onions. Big D
God, that's fine.
We wanted to say thanks for listening to Big D and Bubba on New Country 102.5 each morning with $1,000 cash. Listen for Big.
Oh my God.
My God.
কেমনি হলো এটা?
ভাগ্যিস তুমি আগে যাও না, দিলে তোমার এই প্রশ্ন
একদম।
Hey guys, this gives a new meaning to build Ford tough. Yeah.